YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Don914, back with another sneaker review. This is a special one right here. You seen the title of the video, and you know I got this pair from GOAT, so we're doing a straight unboxing. I haven't even opened the box yet, so let's go ahead and see if GOAT did me right, man. So I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're in the fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I don't want to waste no clock. We get right to it. I'm eager to see this in hand now. Mind you, this is the first shoe all year, probably within a year, probably within the last year, that I actually had to pay resale for. So that's kind of crazy. I ain't paid resale in a year, so been getting everything for the low, for the retail dub, or on sale. So let's go ahead and crack this open. All right, cool. So far the box is looking good. We got, damn, check it out, top lid stuck in a box. This joint was securely packaged. Damn. All right, cool. Nothing else in the box. All right, bet. When your box is securely tight or packaged like that, you gotta make sure you got no damage on your box. So my box looks good. So again, I got this pair from GOAT. And it was delivered by some shipping company. They didn't use FedEx, UPS, or anything like that. It was like a shipping company I'd never heard of, like Venho. I can't even think of the name, but it was a person in a regular car vehicle just pulled up to the spot, dropped the shoes off. So first, can you check the texture of the box? Yeah, seems all right so far. So here's the top lid of the box. And this side here, all grayed out like cement. Jumpman, you probably can't see him because he's like embedded into the box, but got a Jumpman on that side, right here on the top lid. Nike branded on the back. And then I'm seeing this label right here. This must mean this came from overseas. This label right here might have been an overseas pair, so that always makes me nervous. But here go the sizing label right here. And also on the sizing label, it's got the GOAT sticker right here, covering up the QR code. So it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP BA. So I'm thinking the SP is for sure a special project, and the BA is for Brick Athlete. That's what I'm thinking. So the colorway is Sail, Cinnabar, Anthracite. All right, top lid. Nothing really on the inside of the top lid. You got your GOAT verification card right here. To the side, and then here's how your shoes should come packaged. That orange strap going around the shoes, packaged like some bricks. You got the GO right here in the inside of the box. So everything about the box so far, everything is pretty sturdy so far. So far so good. Go ahead. This off to the side here. Let's get down to the kicks, man. Thirsty this season, sure. Strap out, and from watching like authentic reviews and things of that nature, they should come individually bagged up. The bag should have the green and yellow the green and white YCM sticker. It should come in like Ziploc bags, and also they should be wrapped in paper as well. And it's like a translucent type of style paper that they should be wrapped in. And here's my YCM sticker in green. Cool, so far so good with that. Go ahead and unravel these joints. All right. First, you already know what you got to do. Okay, yeah, they do come with spare laces, and then they come with the Cinnabar laces, and I think they come with a pair of black laces, or that anthracite laces, which is a combination of black and gray. So first things you got to do, smell test. Let me see. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, that smells. I mean, I ain't no expert, but I know what an authentic shoe should smell like, and you shouldn't have any strong glue smells or anything like that. Checking the materials, and the leathers is soft, like they said, and yeah, I think these are good to go. I guess. Let me give it that squeeze test. Yeah. No bendage. Ain't nothing moving. It's sturdy. And how they say in New York, like to get sturdy. These joints are sturdy. Cool. All right, let me get the other pair out and then let's go over the review. All right, cool. So I got the other shoe out, and on the left shoe is where the hang tag should be. Got that Bike Air hang tag. Hang tag feels good. And you know what this texture looks like? That's on the hang tag and on the back tab as well. That's coming in. That hang tag looks like, and the back tab looks like cement. Like when cement's a little wet when they first lay it down. That's what it kind of gives me the impression of. Or you know, like when I had my first crib that I bought, some of the walls or the ceilings are like that texture cement look. That's what it kind of looks like to me. That's what it's giving me. But yeah, these are nice, man. Definitely. So let's go ahead and hop into the review. I just used the right shoe, and also in the other shoe came the other pair of laces, the anthracite laces. Lace swap, I don't know. I feel like they look the best and look the cleanest with just the regular white laces, or if these are cell laces in them. And I'm not sure. Let me double check something. Let me see, because I see the lace tips got a brick on them. Okay, both of the pairs do have brick on them on the lace tip. So I don't know, man, if a lace swap might be feasible. I don't know. So I'll let you know at the end of the video. So let's just start with the outsole. Put the lace back in here real quick. Let's start with the outsole. Outsole, you got a combination of the Cinnabar, anthracite, and that sail at the forefoot and on the back heel. You got Nike right here. So make sure I'm holding it up right. Nike and sail right there on the outsole. Went up to the midsole, you got a combination of sail, anthracite, and then that what is that? Cinnabar? Yeah, Cinnabar. That Cinnabar color right here. And then the Cinnabar colorway, if you're looking at it, when you get these in hand, if you get them off the secondary market, it shouldn't be a solid like color. It shouldn't be like a solid material. It should be almost translucent, semi-translucent. So bring it closer so you can see what I'm talking about. And that's going all the way around to the medial side as well. It should look semi-translucent when you get them in hand. Moving up to the upper of the shoe, you got an all sail upper. The materials are nice, not too bad. The leather is definitely a softer leather than what you would get on a regular GR. So they didn't skip out on any of the materials, and that's throughout the whole shoe, not just the toe box. It's throughout the whole upper of the shoe. You got your Cinnabar wings, Cinnabar waffles, cages on the side. I don't know what color that is. That's definitely not. It's definitely darker than sail. And I always wondered what that color was, because you got it on the start of the toe box right here, started the lace. I'm sorry, the tongue, and then you got them on the side right here. You got that color in the back tab, and then you have right here on the stars on the front. So I don't even think they mentioned what color that is, but I don't know. That is basically just the age looking color that's on the shoe. And these are fire, man. Definitely fire. Sure. On the tongue, Cinnabar Jumpman, anthracite flight on the tongue. On the back of the left shoe of the tongue, it should say Bike Co. Let me double check. Yeah, Jordan Biking Co. 2017. So that's on the back of the tongue right there on the right shoe. Let's see here, pull the laces out so I can show you what I was talking about on the lace tips. Hopefully the camera brings it in. So on the lace tips, you can see right here. I'll bring it in here closer. You can see right here it says brick. Right there on the lace tips, and that's on both of them. I would assume one said after, but it just said brick. And then let me check the insole of the shoe paper. And on the inside, you do get Bike Air and Go, and you have a black insole as well on the inside of the shoe. That's coming in good. And that's in that Cinnabar colorway. And then the back tab is definitely the star of the show. Back tab, you get the Cinnabar Bike Air against that back tab, and then yep, you should make sure this is stitch. Yes, sir. You have a stitch bike right there on the back of the tab right there. And it's in white, so it kind of, you can see it real good if you have them in hand. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. And that should be on both back tabs. Yeah, it's on both back tabs. That's fire. little hidden detail. And then of course you got that mini swoosh right there on the front going around the toe cap, which adds a nice touch as well in that center bar colorway. Clear, you got clear air bubbles, and then you got the center bar air units inside the air bubble. And then other than that, like I said, the only difference is on the left shoe versus the right shoe. Let's see here. It has the Jordan Biking Co. on the back as well, and then on the inside, okay, so this is different as well. Definitely the hang tag is on the left shoe. You got Jordan Biking Co. as well on the back tab of this one. And then in the inside, it says Nigel Sylvester. Instead of saying Go Bike Air, Nigel Sylvester. Cool. Other than that, man, that's it. That's the review. So I don't want to keep you too long. I'm sure you've seen plenty of reviews. Look, the left shoe, man, look. The material is definitely plush, more plush than it is on the right shoe. So I don't want to keep you too long because I am eager to throw these on foot. Now on this video, there won't be any on foot. I'm coming straight from work, so that's why I got the shirt on. I didn't even put a fit on, so I want to put a fit on with this pair, and I want to do the on foot proper. So stay tuned for my YouTube shorts. That's where I normally put my how to style of the fit, and you know, you get a good look at them on foot. So stay tuned for the short video of this pair, so you can see how they look on foot with a fit. And yeah, I just wanted to bring the unboxing to you, make sure my pair was A1 and didn't get hit with any fugazis, because you can never be too careful when buying on the secondary market. So comment in the comment section down below. Are you going for a pair on a secondary market, or you know, are you good on this pair? Comment down below. But I think these are dope, man. Fire. Now that I got them in hand, nothing like the Fire Red 4. So anybody talking that Fire Red 4, this a glorified Fire Red 4 or something like that, cap. Don't listen to them. These are fire and the original in their own right. So with that being said, again, stay tuned for the YouTube short for the on foot and the fit check. And we're gonna go ahead and get out of here and put a fit on, throw these joints on feet, and until the next video, I'm out.